how to do the sturdy key lock. Okay, so first we need to do is practice. Let's practice.
Oh. Ayun.
Okay.
Ito na nga dula.
So first,
Bago.
do this like that and like that.
Ayun, yung dula.
And now do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Pila ka buhok? Pila ka buhok dra?
So,
Rambol mo? Pila ka
jump 3
pila.
times. 1,
Ano siya sa kamar?
3. And
Sabi na, personal.
practice this. 1,
Pila ganun ka?
3, 4, 5. Now, this is the result. Nah, just kidding. Okay, just a little guys. And jump. Yeah. Okay, so this is the result. This is the result, guys. 3, 2,
Dito, dito.
1.
Dito.
Oh,
Tama, yung dula no.
did you do it?
Ito nga dula ba?
Did you see it, guys? Did you see it, guys? Mario?
Masa? Control. Hindi daw.
Meron pa tayo sa
Dilo, 17K naman gani.